Hey ladies! Welcome back to Fiercely Feminine, where we discuss all things femininity, elegance, and self-improvement. As we step into a new year, it's the perfect time to let go of habits that no longer serve us and embrace positive changes on our journey towards femininity and elegance. By shedding these negative habits, you create space for a more classy and feminine version of yourself. In today's video, we'll discuss 12 habits that it's time to leave behind in your level up journey. Step into your new identity while gracefully letting go of these negative behaviors, and you'll undoubtedly radiate femininity in every aspect of your life. Grab a cup of coffee or tea, find a cozy spot to relax, and let's get started. 1. Negative self-talk. Eliminate self-deprecating thoughts and negative self-talk. The things you say to yourself have power. Death and life are in the power of the tongue, and those who love it will eat its fruit. Embrace self-love and practice positive affirmations to build confidence and cultivate a feminine mindset. To enhance your mindset even further, I will soon be creating free principles of scripture-based affirmations that you can declare over yourself every day to renew your mind. Once they're available, I'll add them to the description box, so make sure to keep an eye out for them. 2. Procrastination. Break free from the habit of procrastination. Prioritize tasks, set deadlines, and complete them with grace. Proactive behavior contributes to a more organized and efficient lifestyle. As Proverbs 12 verse 24 wisely states, "The hand of the diligent will rule, but the lazy hand will be put to forced labor." 3. Unhealthy eating patterns. It's time to abandon unhealthy eating habits and start nourishing yourself with a balanced and healthy diet and lifestyle. Pay attention to the quality of your food and practice mindful eating. Prepare your meals with love as an act of self-love, and savor each meal as a moment of self-care. 4. Lack of boundaries. Establish and maintain healthy boundaries in all aspects of your life. This includes personal relationships, work, and social commitments. Boundaries are essential for self-respect and maintaining a sense of balance. 5. Mindless technology use. Many of us find ourselves spending too much time on social media, engaging in mindless scrolling and excessive use of technology. If you haven't already, this is your sign to take a break from social media for a dopamine detox. You'll be amazed at how much more free time suddenly becomes available for activities you genuinely enjoy. Whether it's reading, baking, learning languages, moving your body, or getting to spend more time with your loved ones. Social media can be draining, and by stepping away, you'll feel freer and lighter, creating a positive shift into your feminine energy. You'll start to feel more authentic and become more in tune with your passions because you're actively living your life instead of watching others live theirs. I recommend going off social media completely for at least 2 weeks as a detox. After that, consider using app timers or other tracking methods to help manage the time you spend on it. 6. Disorganization. Say goodbye to clutter and disorganization. Cultivate a more organized living and working environment. A neat and clutter-free space contributes to a sense of calm and order, reflecting elegance in your lifestyle. 7. Overcommitting. Learn the art of saying no and avoid overcommitting yourself to the point of exhaustion. Prioritize quality over quantity by carefully selecting tasks and commitments. This ensures you have the time and energy to invest in what truly matters to you. 8. Comparing yourself to others. Break the habit of comparing yourself to others, recognizing that comparison is the thief of joy. Focus on your unique journey and celebrate your individuality. Your confidence and authenticity are fundamental aspects of your feminine charm. 9. Ignoring self-care. Stop neglecting self-care. Make it a priority to nurture your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Regular self-care routines contribute to a radiant and feminine presence. 10. Harsh self-criticism. Release a tendency to harshly criticize yourself. Instead, practice self-compassion and embrace your unique traits. Recognize that growth and learning are continuous aspects of your feminine journey. 11. Gossiping. Refrain from engaging in gossip or negative talk about others. Proverbs 16 verse 28 warns us that a devious person stirs up conflict and a gossip separates close friends. Rather, cultivate kindness and positivity in your conversations, contributing to a more harmonious and healthy social environment. Follow the wise instructions in Ephesians 4 verse 29. Do not let any unwholesome talk come out of your mouths, but only what is helpful for building others up according to their needs, that it may benefit those who listen. 12. Ignoring personal development. Stop neglecting your personal growth. Make continuous learning and self-improvement a habit. This not only enriches your understanding but also brings richness to your character. Experience the transformative power of releasing habits that no longer align with your journey towards femininity and elegance. By removing these habits, you create space for a more refined and elegant version of yourself. What are some bad habits that you're leaving behind this year? Let's continue the conversation in the comments. If you found these tips empowering, remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and loved ones. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay fiercely feminine.